Hey guys, how's it going? This is going to be up on eBay soon. This is Motorola Impres 6-gang charger, and as you can tell, it's in absolutely mint condition. It didn't come to me, well, I'm going to call it mint condition because I worked my butt off on it, but it does have a little white spot here, but as you can tell, the pockets on these are very, very clean. Everything's been detailed out. And it's been checked top to bottom. This thing runs like a champ. These are tri-chem, and they do have the indicator lights. I've got one of these chargers, I don't need two. These are for XTS 3000s and XTS 5000s. They'll also do XTS 2500s and EF Johnson units that are kind of, they take the same battery as a 5000 and a 3000. But you have standby, you've got multi-colors and multi-functions on these. This will recondition. It will tell if it's not chargeable, just like it says here. It's a very intuitive unit. It does come with a spare fuse, and it also comes with a data port that you can actually hook these Impres chargers up to an external PC. And there is a program that you can get that will actually turn this around. There's a program that you can get that will actually tell you a lot more about the batteries. This unit has version 1.20 firmware. It's not a high version of firmware, but I think it'll work fine for most people's uses. I've got no problem with it. You can get these switched off to a 3.40, but let me turn this back on. I think you have to buy a kit to do it, but I think actually the firmware updates are free. I'm not going to do that. You can also get, this is one that is non-display. It will come with a cord, power cord. It'll be brand new. Actually, this is a test cord that I'm using. Let's go ahead and plug it in. As you can see, momentarily, we'll do the power up. Come on, you. Boy, this camera is nothing but a pain. Plus, I'm working with a short cord. I've got the cable tie on it, but you get the idea. There we go. Everything powers up fine. Drop the radios in. And like I said, I've got, this is the second one I've got. By the way, these are going to be up on eBay very soon. These Model 1 XTS 3000s in VHF. You can go to Snarling Rabid Dog. What am I? One better, or one radio down. Hold on. I had 5 here. Okay. So as you can see, these are charging. These are tri-chem chargers. They'll do lithium ion, nickel metal hydride, and NiCad. So I mean, for what these chargers are, they're very, very good. When you're running Impres, which is what these are running, all my batteries are lithium ion. Although I do have a lot of new in box nickel metal hydrides, and I do have NiCads. But I like lithium ion because they are just that good. And these are lithium ion 4150 Impres batteries. So when you're working with Impres batteries and on an Impres charger, this will give you the signal strength of that you need to tell how much gas is in the tank. In this case, 3982 at 32 charges. So, quite a few charges on that battery, but still very good. And that's pretty much it. It's an absolute, I would give it a 9 out of 10, just because these two little marks, and there are a couple marks on the bottom, but no engraving, none of that crap. See the Motorola logo on these. It's a heavy charger, it's for 6 gang, and it's for, public safety use. I can't get any light on this. Maybe I can get it on the other side. You can see the Motorola logo. Oh, also, I just got this, which is very cool. Takes a second here. Pick this up. I've got a fellow that does my stamps. Very nice Motorola stamp. And that was, I don't know, that wasn't, it took them a while to make, but for the impression that it puts on here, it's not bad. But anyway, yeah, the Impres charger will be up for sale on eBay, and this one's going to be moved out. You can get displays. These are just knockouts. You can remove the knockouts and you can put LCD displays in them if you want. But actually, when you're working with XTS 5000s, they're going to show you how much gas is in the tank on these. So they will recondition an Impres battery. They will charge the other ones. They won't recondition a battery unless it is an Impres. That's just the way that Impres or that Motorola has it. If you've got a NiCad battery and it's a non-Impres Motorola, you're not going to get reconditioning. It will quick charge, rapid charge them. It'll tell if it's bad, and it will do what it needs to do in order for you to charge back up and initialize and things like that. But an Impres charger will only recondition an Impres battery. And these are just killer mics. They work very, very well, and I really, really like these. I might start selling them in a while. I may throw them in with a couple of radios. It depends, but yeah, the stamping and this is pretty much all that's been going on lately. If you're interested in a 6-gang charger, check me out on eBay. Snarling Rabbit Dog. Take it easy, guys. Later on.